Hello and welcome to a new episode of Englicast. Have you ever wondered why some people succeed in reaching their goals while others struggle with delay and setbacks? The secret is not just talent or intelligence, but daily routine, the habit that helps you build a bright future with steady and continuous steps. In this episode, we will not just give you traditional advice. We will take you on an inspiring journey with real stories and practical experiences that will make you see daily commitment in a completely different way. What is a daily routine, and why is it important? A daily routine means doing something every day, no matter what happens. Whether you want to learn a new language, build a healthy habit, or achieve your career dream, consistency is the key to success. But why do many people fail to continue? At the beginning of my journey, I thought that success depended on feeling excited every day. But soon, I realized that I was living in the illusion of quick achievement. I believed that I could get big results in a short time without continuous effort. The word quick achievement means thinking that success will come fast and easy without continuous effort. Have you ever felt frustrated because you did not see results immediately? Try to write a sentence using quick achievement. As the days passed, I began to understand that the real problem was not my situation or lack of time. The real problem was chronic hesitation. The word chronic hesitation means always delaying decisions and not being able to take firm actions. It is the feeling that makes us postpone our decisions because we are afraid of failure or not being ready. Have you ever thought too much and delayed before starting something? How did you deal with it? Try to write a sentence using chronic hesitation. Why do we lose good habits easily? When I stopped practicing a good habit, I felt like all my progress disappeared, as if I had achieved nothing at all. Then I realized that consistency is not a choice, it is a necessity. The word disappeared means that something slowly went away and no longer existed. Have you ever stopped a good habit and felt like you went back to zero? Try to write a sentence using disappeared. Adapting to change is a necessary skill for success. One of the strongest lessons I learned is that success is not just about working hard. It is also about smart adaptation to challenges. Not every day will be perfect, but if you learn how to adapt, you will never stop. The word adaptation means the ability to change your strategies to fit new situations. Have you ever had to change your plans suddenly? How did you handle it? Try to write a sentence using adaptation. The real secret of success is patience and perseverance. Success does not happen overnight. It needs strong perseverance, which means continuing even when facing difficulties and failures. The word perseverance means keeping on trying to reach your goal despite obstacles. When did you face a big challenge and decided to continue no matter what? Try to write a sentence using perseverance. A daily routine is not just a simple habit, it is the real key to achieving big goals. Remember, success is not magic. It is the result of small, continuous steps. A challenge for you. Choose a small habit you want to improve and practice it daily for at least 7 days. Use the new words you learned today in your daily life. Share in the comments. What habit do you want to commit to? What is the biggest challenge you face when staying committed? If you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. See you in the next episode of Englicast.